Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great. So it's been a while we haven't created any video. So today I was not having any idea about this, like what I'm going to create. So now it's like I'm raw. I'll be doing I don't know what, but yeah, we'll be doing something. So first of all, like let's do bug bounties only, like penetration testing. So first of all, let's find any program. So it will be just like a basic stuff. So what we're going to do, let's go on to hacker1.com. Okay, so we are on to hacker1, and here we may have bug bounty, or we can do okay hacker programs. Yeah, here opportunities. So what we are going to do is we'll select a program, try to find vulnerabilities inside it. So vulnerable disclosure program, all industries, and let's try to go into domain. Okay, let's go into VDPs for this one, and here everything will be raw, like will not be doing anything. Port received. Okay, click checking CSRF on unauthorized form, MITM. Okay, limiting missing best practices. Okay, no problem. So let's go into scope. Here we have our program. So what we're going to do is, now let's go into Google Docs, and another one which I use, like it is what we call, that everything is, wait, let me just first find it. It's Shodan Docs and my door engine. Yeah, this one. So I don't know what may or we may not find anything, but let's just go and check here also. Okay, update domain. Here, do I need to? No, nothing. Okay, first of all, let's go into directory listing. Nothing. Exposed configuration files. Nothing. Open redirects. No. Database files, log files, backup, login pages. Do we have anything login? Okay. Do we have wildcard? Okay. Let's go into this, and first of all, let's go here. This is the website. Yeah. Okay. Be in scope. Okay. Nice. Very good website. So what we're going to do is, first let's go into this Firefox and open our BurpSuite. So here, let's paste our this, and first of all turn on our suite Foxy proxy. Okay, let's do temporary project for now. Proxy is refusing. Okay, yeah, so it's starting. It haven't started yet. Oh, let's close this and this one also. Okay, nice. So we did it, and let's, okay, no problem. I'll do it later. And here let's add this to scope. Okay, and only show the items that are in scope. Okay, and let's do one thing. Expand the branches. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go and scan this. Wait, just crawl it, and yeah, scan configuration. Deep, we can do like crawl behavior, login behavior, API crawling. Nice. Okay, resource pool, we can do custom, and then maximum request, let's say 100, and delay between nothing, or we can do is 50. Okay, and then scan it. If you need, you can just check onto this. Okay, till then, let's go back, and SQL errors. I'm not a robot. Publicly exposed. Okay, we have something. Okay, we may find something here. You can just go and read about. Let's try to change anything. We'll look into it later. Words info, nothing. Okay, first of all, let's just try what this is. Okay, CMS. So no need to look for those backdoors. Open redirect, do we have it? No. Okay, and let's do one thing. Employees on LinkedIn, if we can. Okay, they are working, so we'll look into this, and we can't go into subdomains. Search on if we found anything. Nothing. Do we have any code pull requests? Okay, clear dash street. Who is this and who is this? Okay, one clear street. Not okay. GitHub test domain, and we can see, okay, docs. It's very much like API clear key. Nice. So we can give it to like any AI, it will read for us, because like right now we'll be only going to look. Okay, this is something else. Okay, nice. Two things that we will be good. Juicy extensions. Do we have? No. High percentage. Nothing. Server. Okay, this is a blog. So accesses. Okay, redirects parameters. Can we find? No. SSRF. Okay, nothing. So I think, do we have any sensitive? Nothing. Okay, let's close this one also. Okay, let's log in, and now again go into the no results found. Okay, host name. Do we got like an IP address that is pointing to our domain? This one, let's do advanced and proceed. Okay, nothing. It can't be found. Okay, no problem. This one also is having an error. Yeah, IP address not allowed. Okay, cookie support required. This one is also error 404, 404, privacy error and proceed. I think it's just load and proceed. It's in this one also. Okay, all rights reserved. I think we don't got anything. Okay. So you can yeah, like you got my point. What I really need to know. So let's just do and chat GPT. Let's go here and let's doing a painting on this domain. If you find anything fishy or any breakpoint, let me. It's crawling and it has found like okay payload job. What do we have here? Okay, clients payload. Everything is JSON based. Okay, let me do open request in browser and go here. Like first of all, you need to okay. Let's go and check this. Okay, nice. Can we get any URL like any other photo? Let's say hacker image and let's go into images and let's do copy it. Open link in new tab and here open link in new tab, open image in new tab, and here let's just do and try to change it. Okay, forbidden host. So the host that you can check is CDN here, this one, and what we can do is okay and at the rate, yeah, now let's try. Okay, at the rate. Okay, forbidden host. Okay, nice. So what is this CDN? Great. It's the yeah. Open the image and let's do one thing. Let's copy this instead of this bad request. Okay, no problem. Yeah, let's copy this and just LG this one and let's copy this and try. Yeah, so it's getting like it's using this. So how let's say we may host something here CIO we need host photo here. Let's start build and okay it's doing like it's we are able to do like this domain is whitelisted as it's trusted by them, so we can do is let's do google.com. Okay, wait, not this one, this account. Okay, got it. Okay, so like you got my idea. What you can do here is we'll just okay it's crawling right now. There are some whitelist the okay Google beginner blog create project. So I just starting from scratch. So if I can do anything, let's see API database plans and setting. Okay, am I able to upload here? Let's project. Can I find something? CDN accesses. Yeah. Okay, no problem. You got my point. What you can do from it, but we can do like and here. Let's do proxy intercept on this one. Wait, yeah, images. Wait, it's not that one. Bad request. Okay. Let me do proxy repeater. Repeat our request. Okay, forward. It's only working here. I think there is some issues. So no problem. We can do from here. Let's copy this and intercept off and let and paste it. Wait, yeah, this and anything we can do. Google.com. Okay, host Google. We need only the CDN. Okay, we can create our website or something like that, and then we can make changes to it. Okay, so that is a good thing. So we got like it has a but it's not that easy, so we'll be needing yeah here it is. We have some permanent redirect. What is this? Okay, it's photos permanent redirects. This one IO images again. Okay, so there are many, so we'll do let's go here and do we have any get parameters? Nothing. Sorry, post parameters. This one any parameters like not should not be JSON, it's HTML based. So this one let me do one thing. Let's show response in browser and go here. What are these? Okay, there may be something. Okay, vulnerabilities do we have? Okay, where it is. So do we have any responsible disclosure? Nice, we have miss exploit. Do we have something? So vulnerabilities, okay, it's just given by them. No vulnerabilities till now, I think. So advertising JavaScript next 1.1.30. No direct vulnerabilities found. Okay, no problem. So we are not all also not getting any. Okay, hello, do we got anything here? Do we got any hello? Do we have any para instead of this intercept on and hello? to? Okay, nothing. So we can't search this way. I think so. Forward. Okay, these are all analytics. Google. I think it's a static site mostly for analytics. Login research portal. Let's go there. Okay, this is something else. Except of anything. Street Studio, YouTube. They have a YouTube and they also have a LinkedIn. Okay, register for new account. Okay, so we can register, but oh wait, we need to check this GitHub. Get anything? We didn't got anything. Okay, we can search for this, like this repository. If there is anything, do we have any people? Okay, no public members, but there may be some, and we can find from their accounts like anything we can get login. So it has many login pages, so you can. Okay, it's the same. Street Studio, insights, company services, active trading. It's coming soon. It's showing like launching 2020. Get exclusive. Okay, you can try accesses here. Okay, hello, and you can like go and check for this H1. Hello, H1, and email will be our. Can I cause this and verify registration is successful? Do we have? Okay, so we haven't received, I think, anything till now. Spam, emergent, and all. Okay, we don't got anything till now. Okay, get exclusive. Okay, this one the same about Kurt 800 contact. So you can also try accesses here if you are looking for something. And okay, so that's it for today. I hope. Okay, I'll not be like lying to you guys. I was thinking like it should be a fun session. Like, yeah, it is a good session, but I was not able to show you anything that interesting, which I feel like it should be there. But that's okay. Like, you learn by doing, so that's okay from my side. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So that is it from my side. It was just like, I can say it was a bit flop, not like that, but a bit. So that's okay. And thanks.
Hacking, bug bounty, earnings.